Hi everyone, it's Friday. Yay! We made it to the end of the week. I hope everyone is well. So today Chris and I are going to share fun facts about our favorite two oils, Green Mandarin and Petitgrain. So first off, I'm going to share with you Green Mandarin. Um, Quick fun facts I want to share with you is ever since this came out, I've been putting a drop in my water with dinner every night, and I cannot like drink water without it now. It's just it tastes weird if I don't. So that's my little fun fact. But the real fun facts about mandarin is the tree is cultivated worldwide for its sweet, juicy fruit, which are often sold as clementines or mandarin oranges. Another fun fact, red mandarin essential oils comes from the rinds of the fully ripened fruit, whereas the green mandarin comes from the fruit harvested prior to ripening. So despite the fact that the oil is distilled from the unripe fruit, green mandarin aroma has a less sour than, or is less sour than most citrus oils, and it's also sourced in Brazil. I want to go to
Nice.
one day.
Me
So,
too.
share with us some fun facts about Petitgrain, please.
So our Petitgrain.
Yay.
I'm really excited about Petitgrain. It comes from Paraguay, and they when they're the distillation, when the plant matter that's left over, they use that to fuel the boilers. So it's one of those co-impact sourcing ones that's really awesome. That's been really helping the folks down there to keep things going cheaper and better. It's always exciting when we get into those details. It takes 8 pounds of Petitgrain leaves and stems to make one 15 ml bottle of oil. And the other thing was, let's see here. This is the one that they call the lavender for men that Nicole said on Wellness Wednesday. So it's kind of a fun fact. And it works really well with lavender and citrus bliss, lime, and sandalwood. The other thing, one of the fun fact for that was interesting, I thought, was they use it when you are cleaning and stuff, and they say also you can spray it in stinky sneakers. It's supposed to help stinky sneakers. So that's Petitgrain.
I love it. I'm going to try that because my son's sneakers are, ooh, man, to be desired. Okay. Anyone, everyone, I hope that resonated with you, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of or your weekends, and we'll see you next week for more fun. Thanks, everybody.